Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Spendee, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Spendee app on your device. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once opened, create an account or log in with your existing credentials. On the main screen, tap on the plus button to create a new wallet. Give your wallet a name that reflects its purpose, like monthly budget. Choose the currency you want to use for your wallet. Set a budget goal for the month or week, based on your spending habits. After saving your wallet, you'll see an overview of your budget. To add expenses, tap the plus button again. Select the category your expense falls under, like groceries or entertainment. Enter the amount of the expense. Add a note for clarity if necessary. Tap Save to record the expense. To view your spending trends, navigate back to the main dashboard. Here, you can see how much you've spent versus your budget. Adjust your budget as needed by clicking on the wallet settings. You can also set up recurring expenses for bills or subscriptions. To do this, tap on the expense, then select Repeat. Set the frequency and confirm your settings. Explore the Insights section for a deeper analysis of your spending habits. Use this data to adjust your budget for the following month. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process. Regularly check and update your wallet to stay on track. With these steps, you can effectively manage your finances using Spendee. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.